Morning everyone, so this is Friday the 27th of June, 10 past 7 in the morning. So today I've got this roof here to do, and obviously the solar panels. It's quite a tip at the moment because the owners have just bought it. And then if you come down here, you'll see my scaffold there, and then up there, that section of roof along there to do. And then if you go down the side, you've got that section there and that section there, and there's just a little tad round the side here as well, not much. This is the bit as you drive up you get to see that bit there. Okay, so I took 2 days off this week, so being the Friday, this is the third roof of the week, and I'll be doing this one on my own. There's a lot of moss up on it, but it will come up really nice, so I'll show you some before and afters. Okay, have a great weekend.